To adjust the vibration intensity level of your alarm on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Clock app. While you are in the alarm section, tap the required alarm, tap vibration. Now slide the vibration intensity adjustment bar to the right to get a stronger vibration, or you can slide it to the left to get a softer vibration. Tap the back key and then tap save button to save your selection. With this setting, when the selected alarm rings, your phone will vibrate with the predefined intensity level. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.